117th remembrance of Major Chongtha, who took major role in the battle against British, was observed at Manipur Press Club today. The organizer, United Chongtha, urged the government to declare the death anniversary of Major Chongtha as state holiday. Family members of Major Chongtha and the attendees offered a floral tribute to the portrait and the weapons used by the deceased during Khongjom War. The second Mia Singh Major Warrior Award 2025, which included a citation, a stole, and 10,000 rupees cash, was also presented to Saikhom Sanjit Kumar alias Subol from Uripok, who fell during the ongoing conflict in the state for his bravery. Speaking at the observance, United Chongtha's convener Chongtham Romain highlighted that the remembrance was organized to remember and showcase the bravery showed by Major Chongtha during Khongjom War. He further urged the state government to organize a state-level remembrance in the future and declare the day as a state holiday. He added that United Chongthas will take up initiatives to spread the story of the deceased to the public.
Major Chongtha mana laibak ki damakta kathok khibgi thongna do adubu ningsingbo ina 2023 ki May 3 ki hor khiba mapa laibak ti lakpa akhoi mitok miya cha singna Manipur da lan tasil lapdagi madunga thokna bagi thengna jiba lan du da akhoi ki laibak ki nabak athoba singi mafam da akhoi ne award si kangsuk ki singkakta mama laibak kanna bagi damakta akhoi yenaba singda lan thengna bibada laibak ki damak kathokiba thoba mani lawzerla masigi Mia Warrior Award si Uripok tagi Sanjit Aibisda tungi mirolda magi thona adubu khangongna bagi damakta akhoi ngasi award si mo ngasi khujina chakani